they heard I'm putting on an exhaust.
What up, guys? Oh man, today is a good day because I have a big box that was on my front door. Yeah! Alright, anyways, it is a HKS single exit catback to pair with my HKS front pipe. But we're gonna open up this box. I just want to look at it before we start going. It's raining and I'm actually in the middle of clay barring my car right now, so I'll probably be doing this later. But yes, anyways, I'll be back. What up, guys? Alright, got it unboxed and it looks amazing. I just wanted to make sure everything was all there, and before I started jacking up the rear car and installing it, I just had to start the car, move it back a little bit, and just jack up the rear end. That's all I really have to do. Kind of thought it was going to be a 2.5, not a 3-inch, but we're going to send it. Anyways, I don't know. I am bored. I'm excited. I have a coffee in the fridge. We're going to drink it and go. Alright, car's jacked up. I'm going to start loosening the bolts on the exhaust while I start spraying the exhaust hangers with WD-40. Yeah, let's get under there. Alright, so first I'm going to remove the mid pipe, those 2 bolts, and then those 2 bolts all the way down there. One more. That's it. Oh, Jesus. Mufflers out. Alright, it's super sunny out here, but I'm going to try and do as best I can. Here's pretty much the comparison. As you can tell, oh, a lot bigger. It's gonna get that nice sooty rumble. I'm excited. Hopefully that resonator up there drowns out a little bit of the rasp, but there you guys go. And let's get going and installing on this guy. Also, quick little side note, this exhaust also comes with its like a special exhaust gasket. It's like a little ring. Just make sure you guys put these on there. They just kind of pop on like so. Little crush washer rings, I guess. Little crush rings, whatever. But just make sure you throw those on there so you don't get any exhaust leaks. But yeah, let's go on this guy. I got the old exhaust hangers off of the stock exhaust, so I can put them on the new one. So I'm going to start working with one piece at a time and just work my way all the way down. Change of plans. Since this has the hanger on this side and this pipe I think will be too heavy on my front pipe, even though there is a bracket, I'm going to bolt this up so it can be supported by the hanger while I do the muffler. So let's install this guy. Exhaust ring right there. Alright, muffler's looking pretty straight, dude. I don't think I really have to adjust anything. I don't know if I'm gonna like it with the burnt tip or without. It looks like I'm gonna have to put the tip on there or else I'm gonna get like exhausted all on the top piece. But it's whatever. A little blast pipey? No, it's gonna be all the way in if anything. But we'll see. It will hide the HKS though, which will kind of suck, but look at that, damn, it would hide that. But what are you gonna do? But it's looking pretty straight. Could go maybe a titch to the right, but we're looking pretty good. Let me secure everything, wipe it down before I start this bad boy up. Possible, probably. So blast pipe, guys. I'll slide it all the way back.
Alright, figured I'd make a little outro just to kind of wrap up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you guys think of this exhaust. I think it sounds so fucking dope. There's like no wraps, nothing. It's awesome. Anyways, stay tuned, more to come. I'm also going to make just a little exhaust snippet video since there was not really too much on this exhaust when I looked it up online. But, so yeah, figured I'd help you guys out, make one of those. And yeah, more to come. I don't know what else. I do want to get a header, but that is down the road as I have a lot of other parts on my list that I want to get first. Anyway, stay tuned, enjoy, have fun, y'all, and let me know. Peace.